Dear ladies and gentlemen, the restoration of diplomatic relations with the Nordic countries 25 years ago is of historical significance for us. The Nordic countries were icebreakers in recognizing our established independence. Later, we felt their sincere support in creating our democratic institutions, implementing reforms, and seeking European and NATO membership. Today, the Nordic countries are very close partners, cooperating in the traditional Nordic-Baltic format, developing business ties, and implementing people-to-people contacts. We admire your achievements and best practices in creating progressive, socially responsible, and transparent societies. And we, of course, welcome you all, with all our hearts, to Vilnius.